This video will look at how to set up contract services. So firstly we go into the help desk and click on contract service. So there's currently two ways that a contract can be created for a customer. The first one is in the back end by an administrator, and the second one is we can link a contract service type to a particular product that the customer can then purchase on the front end. This video will just cover how to use the back-end interface. So to create a new one, we just click create on the right hand side and we give it a name. And we can optionally put a description in there, and we then select the type. The start date is the beginning date for the contract period, and then we can either attach the contract to an individual customer or to a company. And then we then need to select a billing address for any invoices generated. So we then see a list of parameters, and these have been configured directly against the contract service type that we've selected. Okay, so we've just created a new contract now. You can see all the basic details, when the contract will begin and end. And we can also see the workflow journal here. So this contract is currently marked as initialized. Once the start date does kick in, this contract will move into another state called active, and then depending on whether the is paid in advance is ticked or not, the invoice will then be generated at the beginning or the end of whatever your billing period is. Can also add some comments to the system here, and if we select private comments, they will be hidden from the customer. So if we take a look at another example, we just go back to the search page. So we have another contract here that we've already created. And in this instance, we can see that it moved into the active state, and then because we are set to pay in advance, it's then generated an invoice at the beginning of the period,